So in today's video we are trying out this OBD card reader. We just plug it in so we can see the error codes and see if we can make sense of them. Try and see if it's things we can fix or if it's things that we cannot fix. So let's put it into use and see the codes that come up. So this plug goes into there's a panel over here that's labeled OBD, and in some cars it would be maybe underneath or under the steering. It can be in another place, but for this specific car, this is the Corolla 2010, it's over here. So you just take it off, and this is where that's where you put the code inside. Next thing would be to turn on the key. So the current codes that I'm getting from this car are the check engine light goes off after some time. The other one, the blinking one, this is for the tire pressure sensor. So that's a code I see every time. The temperature reading thing is also not working, so that's another one that I know. But the check engine light normally goes off after just under a few seconds when I'm driving. So let's see if there's any other codes I will get from this scan tool. So just press enter. So it's scanning. So it currently says there's no codes. So we can try and scan it again, see if there's anything. So apparently there are no codes, no errors. This is a cheap scan tool. You can get it on Amazon. I'm going to share the link in the description. It's a good thing to have for you to identify any minor repairs before they actually become major issues. So get one, easy to use, just plug it in there. Try and see if you can read anything. It's going to pull up anything I think related to transmission, anything to do with any fluids and whatnot. So check it out, and as always, thank you for tuning in. Subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one. Watch the previous videos.